Moto Madness, stupid, crazy people against bikers. Let's go.
Okay, starting off strong with the Golf GTI. Cutting. Yeah, that was stupid of a car driver. Biker said someone driving a truck decided to be more important than watching the road. Let's see what happens here.
Nice, buddy. You're on the wrong side of the road,
Holy
you idiot. Be on his phone. Dumb.
Okay. He actually stopped at the stop sign. Let's see
Get
what
off
he
your
will say.
phone. Get off your phone, you dumb. You're all over the road. Are you an idiot?
Yeah. I mean, okay.
Yeah, get off your phone, man. You're gonna kill somebody, dumb.
Exclusive content. Exclusive rage, man. And cursing. My god, man. My god. It's okay. Yamaha MT-07. Again. Something called cutting road. He's listening to Spotify. Good thing. Holy shit. Imagine driving fast. Holy shit. He would die. Oh, but why stop at the road, man? And on the turn, you're stopping on the turn, man. Holy shit. Okay, always check behind when you're drawing the lane. Let's see. Okay, nothing special so far. Nothing out of the ordinary. Okay, he's speeding up. I'm talking about the car. Changing lanes without indicators. Let's see. Oh yeah. Window down. Talking shit probably. Yeah.
Hey, just shut up, man.
Just shut up, man! But I love the backpack, man. Wow.
Idiot.
Nice backpack. On this KTM here, on the right.
Leave us alone, you dumb.
What? Just leave us alone!
Justin, be careful.
Okay. Good friend there.
Go between the. Or never mind. The guy just took off.
But there's small lots, and then there's
Grom, let's
this
go.
is it.
Honda
What the
Grom,
heck?
let's go.
You mother...
Yeah.
That dude flew by me.
Yeah, you were driving slow
What a piece of
on the side of the road. Yeah.
God. That dude in the SUV literally just flew by me, like 1 foot away from me.
Okay, man.
People got no respect.
Oh, close. Very close. Look, he doesn't even notice. Why? And you have a lady on your passenger seat, man. What a man. Cutting the lane again without looking in the mirrors. Or sorry, without checking the mirrors. And again, huh? Here. Is he going to make it? Ooh. Yeah, but that's your fault, man. Again, without checking the mirrors. Man, a lot of clips from people not checking their mirrors in the cars. Max Neri Motovlog. Okay. mirror smash? Oh, it's the same guy over and over again. And he changed the mirrors. Damn. Imagine scaring the horses, man, and you fall on their back. Okay. Aggressive.
Como é que tu faz isso? Como é que você faz isso? Tá louco? Tá louco? Você nem deu seta, porra.
Okay. I'm not going to say what language is that, because I don't want to offend anyone. That's it! Thank you guys for watching, and see you next one. Peace.